The Stanley Top Edge Toolbox and Organizer has been a huge success since its launch last year. It combines the two most important requirements for tradesmen: a large toolbox that is big enough to take bulky items such as hammers, sealants or power tools. On top of this, it's a pro organizer with anti-knock lid. The really clever part is the way the organizer also acts as the lid of the toolbox. This organizer has two strong metal latches to secure the lid. It also has a really clever sliding lock, which prevents the lid moving away from the dividers during transit, where small items might fall into other compartments. You can arrange the dividers in a number of ways to cater for the bits you need to carry quickly and easily, keeping small items such as parts, spares or fixings neat and easily accessible. The 60cm, 24-inch long toolbox is made from a sturdy anti-knock plastic and incorporates a full-length aluminium handle. This innovative toolbox is available at the special price of just £24.99 while stocks last. And here are some other great offers we have available. New Faithful retractable knife, available in 3 colours, only £5.99. This Barco 34-piece socket set, just £34.99. Ryobi 4.5-inch 115mm angle grinder with 2-year guarantee, only £29.99. Save £10. Faithful set of 5 115mm diamond angle grinder blades, only £9.99. Lighthouse Super Bright 3-function focusing head torch, just £9.99. Stanley multi-bit ratchet screwdriver, only £7.99. Black & Decker hammer drill with pipe and wire detector, just £39.99.